Good morning, children. Today we are going to exercise 2.6, page number 35, sixth word problem. The ages of Hari and Harry are in the ratio 5:7. 4 years from now, the ratio of their ages will be 3:4. Find their present ages. The ages of Hari and Harry are in the ratio 5:7. Ratio of ages is given here. 4 years from now, the ratio of their ages will be 3:4. Find their present ages. So here ratio of present ages is given. What is the ratio of present ages? 5:7. Ratio of ages, that is 5:7. You don't know their ages, but the ratio of their ages is given 5:7. So let the first boy is Hari. Let Hari's present age is equal to 5y or 5x. Anything can be taken. Then Harry's present age is equal to 7, right? Because the ratio is given 5:7. Next, what happened here? 4 years from now, the ratio of their ages will be 3:4. At present, their ages are 5y and 7y. 4 years from now, that means after 4 years, what is this first boy's age? 5y plus 4. And second boy's age, now its present age is 7y. After 4 years, it will be 7y plus 4. So, Hari's age after 4 years is how much? It's not 4 years from now. The ratio of their ages will be 5y plus 4. Next, Harry's age after 4 years is 7y plus 4. So 4 years from now, the ratio of their ages will be 3:4. So Harry's age after 4 years is 5y plus 4, because now he is 5y years. After 4 years, he will be plus 4. Like that only, Harry's age after 4 years is 7y plus 4. According to the question, what is given? After 4 years, that means the 4 years from now, the ratio of their ages will be 3:4. So it is given that after 4 years, ratio of ages is what given? 3:4. So this is the hint given to you. After 4 years, ratio of their ages is 3:4. Now you have to frame the equation. How to frame the equation? Here, ratio of their ages is given after 4 years. After 4 years, Hari's age will be 5y plus 4. Why? Because ratio is given. Harry's age after 4 years will be 7y plus 4. So this is given as what? 3:4. That is 3/4. Solve this equation. How to solve this equation? 5y plus 4 by 7y plus 4 is equal to 3/4. You can go for cross multiplication. So that is 4 into 5y plus 4 is equal to 3 into 7y plus 4. Now simplify this. 4 5s are 20y plus 4 4s are 16 is equal to 3 7s are 21y plus 4 3s are 12. Solve this equation by transposing. So 20y is going that side, 12 is coming this side. So 16 minus 12 is equal to 21y minus 20y. Therefore, y is equal to how much? 4. 16 minus 12 is 4. What you are asked to find in the question? Find their present ages. So, therefore, their present ages are what? Therefore, Hari's present age is how much? Present age is 5y. So, y is equal to how much we got? 4. So, 5 fours are 20 years. Then, Harry's present age is equal to 7y. So, that is equal to 7 into y we got as 4. 7 fours are 28 years. So, the present age of Harry is 20 years and present age of Harry is 28 years. So, here ratio of ages is given. The ratio of these two children are 5:7. So, their present age becomes 5y and 7y. After 4 years, their ages becomes 5y plus 4 and 7y plus 4. The ratio of their ages is given after 4 years, that is 3/4. So, frame the equation and solve like this. Next question, that is 7th question. The denominator of a rational number. The denominator of a rational number is greater than its numerator by 8. If the numerator is increased by 17 and the denominator is decreased by 1, the number obtained is 3/2. Find the rational number. Here it's a rational number. So you will have a numerator and denominator. What is he saying here? The denominator of a rational number is greater than its numerator. Denominator is greater than the numerator. Then if the numerator is increased by 17, numerator is increased by 17 and denominator is decreased by 1. If you do all this, the result is going to be 3/8. You are asked to find the number. So which one has to be taken as x here? Let the numerator is x, because in the question he was saying that the denominator of a rational number is greater than its numerator by 8. So then denominator becomes what? He is saying that denominator is 8 greater than the numerator. So denominator is equal to what? X plus 8. Numerator we have taken as x. According to the question, he is saying that denominator is 8 greater than the numerator. So denominator becomes what? X plus 8. So what is the rational number you will get? What is the rational number you will get? Numerator is x by denominator is x plus 8. You will have a numerator and denominator. Now what is he saying? Numerator is increased by 17. So what is the numerator you have? X. This is increased by 17. That means that becomes x plus 17. Denominator is decreased by 1. So what is the denominator you have? X plus 8. It is decreased by 1. If you do all this, you are going to get 3/2. 3/2. This is the equation you are going to get. So the denominator of a rational number is greater than its numerator by 8. He is saying denominator is greater. So numerator is something. So let the numerator is x. Then denominator becomes x plus 8. You are told that it is a rational number. So the number is what? Numerator by denominator. A condition or hint is given. Numerator is increased by 17 and denominator is decreased by 1, so that you will get 3/2. Now I am going to solve this equation. X plus 17 by x plus 7 is equal to 3/2. 8 minus 1 becomes 7. Now how to solve this equation? Cross multiplication. 2 into x plus 17 is equal to 3 into x plus 7. Solve this equation. 2 into x is 2x. 17 twos are 34 is equal to 3 into x is 3x. 3 sevens are 21. Now transpose. 3x minus 2x is equal to 34 minus 21. So x is equal to how much? 13. X is equal to 13. So x what we have taken? X we have taken as numerator. You did not ask to find only the numerator. You are asked to find the rational number. Therefore, rational number is what? Numerator by denominator. So numerator is x, that is 13. 13 plus 8 becomes what? 21. Therefore, the rational number is 13 by 21. 21 how you are getting? X plus 8. X is 13. 13 plus 8 is 21. So today's homework is examples 17, 18, 19 you have to do in your homework book. So 3 examples you have to do in your homework book. From tomorrow onwards I am going to start RD problems. Okay.